Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Lexus IS250 headlight full guide. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and wear gloves to protect hands. Remove the front bumper clips and fasteners to gain access to the headlight assembly. Keep track of screws and small clips in a tray and label wiring connectors so reinstallation is simple and orderly. In this video, I will show how to remove Lexus IS250 headlight full guide. Begin by collecting a 10 mm socket, ratchet, extension, and trim tools before you start. Pop the hood and remove the battery cover if needed to improve access. Remove bumper clips carefully with plastic tools and place hardware in a labeled container so nothing gets lost during the job. In this video, I will show how to remove Lexus IS250 headlight full guide. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for tunes and voice timers while you wrench, making parts hunting easier and more fun. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to remove Lexus IS250 headlight full guide. After exposing the headlight bolts, remove them and unplug the wiring harness carefully using a small screwdriver to depress retention tabs. Gently pull the headlight assembly forward and guide it out, taking care not to snag wiring or paint. Inspect mounting points for damage and replace any worn clips before reinstalling the assembly for a secure fit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.